Hello guys, welcome to today's class. So today we'll be looking at rationalization method, how to evaluate a limit using rationalization method. Like I said, that not all limits can be evaluated with direct substitution, factorization. There are some limits you need to evaluate with rationalization method. So today we'll be looking at such or those kind of limit that are evaluated with rationalization method. So let's attempt this first question that says evaluate evaluate lim when x approaches 4 cube x minus 2 divided by x minus 4. So now, assuming that we use direct substitution method to evaluate this question, everything here returns to 0 and it will be what? Indeterminate. So now, for it to be determinate, the best method to use is rationalization method. So now, let's find the conjugate when x approaches 4, x minus 2, x minus 4 times x root x plus 2 root x plus 2. So we'll say lim when x approaches 4 root x minus 2 times root x plus 2 divided by x minus 4 times root x plus 2. So now, expanding the bracket, root x times root x gives you root x square, then root x times plus 2 is plus 2 root x, minus 2 times root x gives you minus 2 root x, minus 2 times plus 2 gives you minus 4. So this is divided by x minus 4 root x plus 2. Remember that is the limit when x approaches 4. So we'll say the limit when x approaches 4. This square can cancel out this root. So we are left with only x. So plus 2 root x minus 2 root x can cancel out each other. So we are left with x minus 4 over x minus 4 times root x plus 2. So this one can cancel this. We have 1. X minus 4 can cancel out this. We have 1. So we have 1 over root x plus 2. So we say the limit when x approaches 4, 1 over root x plus 2 equal to, we say 1 over root 4, wherever we say x, we put 4 plus 2, which is what? 1 over root 4 is 2. So 2 plus 2, which is 1 over 4. Our answer is 1 over 4. Now, attempting the second question, evaluate lim when x approaches 9, 3 minus root x over 9 minus x. So the best way to attempt this question is to evaluate it with rationalization method. So if we try to use substitution method to approach this, everything here will turn to 0. Once you substitute x with 9, you have 9 minus 9, which is 0. So it will be indeterminate. So for it to be determinate, you use a rationalization method. So we say the limit when x approaches 9, 3 we'll look for the conjugate. 9 minus x times 3 plus x over 3 plus root x. So the limit when x approaches 9, 3 minus root x, 3 plus root x over 9 minus x times 3 plus root x. So the limit when x approaches 9, 3 times 3 gives you what? 9. 3 times plus root x gives you what? Plus 3 root x minus root x times 3 gives you have to open this bracket first. So minus root x times 3 gives you minus 3 root x. Then root x times root x minus root x times plus root x give you minus root x square. This is divided by 9 minus x times 3 plus root x. So the limits when x tends to 9, we have 9, bring the 9. So plus 3 root x minus 3 root x can cancel out each other. So this square can cancel out the roots. So we have minus what? X. 9 minus x over 9 minus x 3 plus root x. So this can cancel out this. We are left with what? 1. We are left with 1. So the limit when x approaches 9, 1 over 3 plus root x. So we say this is equal to the limit of 1 when x approaches 9 over the limit when x approaches 9 of 3 plus root x. This is equal to the limit of 1 when x approaches 9 over the limit when x approaches 9, the limit of 3x approaches 9 plus the limit of root x when x approaches 9. So now we can substitute wherever we see x, we put 9. So this is equal to what? 1 over 3 plus root 9. Root 9 is the same thing as what? 3. So we have 1 over 3 plus 3, which is 1 over what? 6 is our answer. Three t plus 4 divided by 4 minus t. So the best way to approach this is by rationalization method. Find the conjugate. So we say the limit when t approaches 4, t minus root 3t plus 4 over 4 minus t times t plus root 3t plus 4 over t plus root 3t plus 4. So root 3t plus 4 times t plus root 3t plus 4 over 4 minus t. times t plus root 3t plus 4. So now t times t gives you, if we open the bracket or removing bracket rather, t approaches 4. T times t gives you what? T square. T times plus root 3t plus 4 gives you what? Plus t root 3t plus 4. This is t. Then minus 3t minus root 3t plus 4 times t gives you minus t root 3t plus 4. Then minus root 3t plus 4 times plus root 3t plus 4 gives you minus root 3t plus 4 square. It is divided by 4 minus t plus root 3t plus 4. So now plus t root 3t plus 4 minus t root 3t plus 4. These two can cancel out. So we have the limit when t approaches 4. T square can cancel out the roots. So we have minus, the minus, take minus everything inside the bracket. We have minus 3t plus 4 over 4 minus t plus root 3t plus 4. So now if we use this minus sign to take everything inside the bracket, to multiply everything inside the bracket, we say that we have lim when t approaches 4, t square minus 3t minus 4 over 4 minus t root 3t plus 4. So now by using factorization method to expand this numerator, which is, okay, let me use this space. So here we have t square minus 3t minus 4. So if you multiply the first term and the second and the last term, you have minus 4t square. Now look for two factors of minus 4t square that when you multiply them will give you minus 4t square, and when you sum them will give you minus 3t. So the factors are 4t minus t. If you multiply 4t times minus t, it will give you minus 4t square. If you sum it together, it will give you minus 4. It's minus 4t plus t. So if you sum it together, it will give you minus 3t. So we use these factors now to replace this second term. With the factor to replace the second term. So we have t square minus 4t plus t minus 4. So now what's common between t square and 4t is t. So you bring the t out, you have t. If you bring the t out, you have 1t remaining here and minus 4 remaining here. So you have minus 4 here. So if you go back, 3 times t gives you t squared. T times minus 4 give you minus 4t. So what's common between t plus t and minus 4 is what? Minus 1. So if you bring out the minus 1, we have what? or is plus 1. So if you bring out the plus 1, we have what? T minus 4. So if you multiply everything here, it takes you back. So since this term and this term are the same, we make them to be 1. We take t and the terms outside, t and plus 1. And since these two are the same, we make them to be 1. That is t minus 4. So these are the factors of this. So we use the factor now to replace it. So we say the limit when t approaches 4, t plus 1, t minus 4 over 4 and the root of 3t plus 4. So now this can cancel out this. And we are left with the limit when t approaches 4, t plus 1 over root 3t plus 4. Root 3t plus 4. So now we can substitute the value of t. So this is lim when t approaches 4, t plus 1 over lim when t approaches 4, 3t plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 1 over 3 times 4 plus 4. 5 over 4 plus 1 gives you 5. So 3 times 4 gives you what? 12 plus 4, which is what? 5 over what? 16. So our answer is 5 over 16. Please like, share, subscribe. See you in our next class.